Howdy, y'all. My name is Maria Kariampuzha, class of 26. Today we're here on campus with the Texas A&M Emergency Care Team. Student volunteers who are first of the scene when help is needed and make a true difference here at Texas A&M. Join me as we make some new friends and discover another piece of Aggieland together. All right, I'm here with Rafael Fernandez, president of the Texas A&M Emergency Care Team. Rafael, can you tell us a little about who y'all are and what y'all do here on campus?
Sure, gladly. So we were founded in 1976 as one of the nation's first ever collegiate EMS services. Later on in the 1990s, we were split off into two divisions, being Texas A&M EMS and TAMECT, the organization which I'm president of. We assist EMTs on various university functions and also teach the students here in the Brazos Valley of various pre-hospital healthcare skills.
So, what type of events do y'all usually cover here on campus?
We typically assist standby EMTs at various university functions, which include football games, basketball games, and more. And we also manage and teach our own education classes that we provide to other student organizations here at Texas A&M. Furthermore, we assist in times of dire need within the university. We were the first responders at the Aggie 1999 bonfire tragedy, and we have opened up the doors of Reed in past hurricanes, including Ike and Katrina.
That's incredible, Rafael. Can you tell us about your relationship with the EMS here on campus?
Honestly, without TAMECT EMS, we really wouldn't be where we are today. Thanks to them, we are the only student-run organization that grants on-campus clinical hours, allowing students of all walks of life and all majors to get pre-hospital clinical experience.
That sounds like a pretty important partnership to me. Can you tell us a little about who's allowed to join this team? Am I allowed to join?
You are, Maria. In fact, any student here at A&M, undergrad or postgrad, who has a GPA above 2.5 is welcome in our team.
Well, I might just have to join. What are the benefits of joining the emergency care team?
We'd love to have you on the team, Maria. In fact, any student who joins goes through a 5-course curriculum of various pre-hospital skills that you can use for the rest of your life.
So, for those who are watching and want to help, what can they do to support you?
We do have an endowment fund through the Texas A&M Foundation that helps us fund our classes that we do teach within our organization and also our disaster relief efforts such as Hurricane Katrina, Hurricane Harvey, and beyond.
Earlier, you had mentioned some classes you offer to students and the community. Can you tell us a little about that?
Gladly. Our partners at Texas A&M EMS help out by giving first aid and CPR certifications to those who are interested. Furthermore, our very students can go out and teach basic life-saving skills to other students and members of the Brazos County as a whole.
Well, I have some friends who would love to learn. Should we go show them?
Let's go.
Okay, now we're inside and I brought some friends with me from the Texas A&M Emergency Care Team. So, I told them they all were super excited to learn how to perform CPR. So, Katerina, can you start with 3 simple steps on how to get started?
Absolutely. The first simple step is to make sure that you call 911 and grab an AED. The second simple step is to make sure that you're giving 30 compressions and then 2 breaths to the patient. And finally, the third step is to make sure that you're giving compressions at a rate of 100 to 120 beats per minute, which is about the same speed as the Aggie war hymn.
Wow, that seems super simple. What do y'all think? Let's get started. I just want to give a huge thank you to Rafael and the emergency care team for taking the time to explain to us what they do here on campus and for teaching us how to perform CPR. It truly is so inspiring to see Aggies make a difference. Thanks again for coming along as we discovered Aggieland together.